Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my little mini weekend vlog. So I'm going to be doing some fun, exciting things this weekend, so I wanted to vlog for you guys and post it on my channel. But also I'm going to be doing a little cook with me and like my favorite meal delivery service that I do called Home Chef, and they are going to be sponsoring this video, so I will be talking about them a lot in this video. But I'm also going to be taking you guys with me to Chicago for a fun two-faced brunch, which I am so excited about. It is going to be amazing. You guys know Too Faced is my favorite brand, and they invited me out to this brunch, and it's in the Midwest, so I was like, yes, I have to go. I'm located in Iowa, but it's like a 4 to 5 hour drive to get there depending on traffic. I just decided that we're gonna go. It's gonna be amazing and I feel so grateful to have this opportunity. But anyways, I just got my Home Chef box, so let's go into the kitchen so I can show you guys what I got. If you're new to Home Chef, they're basically like a meal delivery service, and I do this weekly. So I've been getting my Home Chef for over a year now. I purchased them myself. They did decide to sponsor this video because I've done a few videos with them before, but I 100% recommend this, especially for me. I am like always on the go, always crazy busy because I work a full-time job, plus I have my YouTube part-time job, so I basically feel like I work all day, every day, and I have no time to eat. So Home Chef is super handy. They're like a meal delivery service. So I do this every week, and I usually do the 3 meals a week plan for 2 people. So it's just me and my husband. So I feel like if you guys are always on the go and don't really have time to plan out your meals or time to go grocery shopping, because honestly, that's the worst part for me. I absolutely hate grocery shopping, and I can never think of what to eat. I feel like I'm awful at cooking, but this service makes it super easy. So this is the box that it comes in, and like I said, I get 3 meals a week. 3 meals with 2 servings each is about $60 a week, and for me that's worth it because I'm spending that much alone when I'm trying to cook for myself, unless I'm eating like mac and cheese or spaghetti every night. And I like that these are pre-portioned out, so I'm not wasting food, because usually when I'm going to cook something big, I always waste like all the rest of the food after I make it. But for me, it's definitely worth it to have these home cooked meals that I can make myself and that are super fast. I have all the ingredients ready to go. Otherwise, I would just go get fast food and spend about the same amount of money, about $10 a person. So let me get into this box here. Basically, this is what it looks like. Mine came today and it's still cold. The ice packs work really good with this. So in the box you get your meal cards, which has the item and also how to make it on the back, and then you get the packs, which these are for each meal, so it has them labeled and everything inside, except the meat will be separate. So there's that, and then on the bottom you have all your ice packs right by the meat so that your meat stays cold and won't go bad and get warm. So this will be going right in the fridge. Sorry for these swatches, I just filmed a Sephora video. But yes, this is going right in my fridge. And usually everything for me lasts about a week, so I can wait to make my meals for a few days if I want to. And hey guys, okay, so I'm currently packing my little travel makeup bag because I'm about to leave for like a mini road trip to Chicago. But I wanted to show you guys what I am packing. I'm going to a Too Faced brunch. I wanted to bring pretty much all Too Faced products, but Too Faced also is my favorite brand, so a lot of these are actually favorites anyway. So this is what's in my little makeup bag for tomorrow. So I have like my Hourglass primer, I brought my Peach Perfect foundation, also my Born This Way foundation, and Born This Way concealer. I have a Too Faced blush in the shade Baby Love. I also have this Too Faced bronzer in chocolate gold. I have the Child Star liquid lipstick. There's also a Sunday Funday peach lipstick down here, Peach Perfect powder. I have lashes. These ones are my favorite lashes from Salon Perfect, which I have like a random one up there, and then I have these 2 on the bottom. I brought the Sugar Peach palette, which I need to use that. I haven't really tried it out yet. Lash scissors, lash glue, my Benefit brow, Precisely My Brow, all-nighter spray. We have tweezers, NYX Wonder pencil for underneath my brows, Gimme Brow Plus, and then I also bring in this new palette in my collection, the Sugar Cookie from Too Faced, which looks like this. It just has some like really nice neutrals, which I know I'll get some use out of. So I'm bringing that to try as well. So that is pretty much everything I'm bringing for makeup. So yes, I have a brunch with Too Faced tomorrow, and probably a few other girls too that are from Chicago. So that'll be interesting. I'm super excited. I just really wanted to go because Too Faced is my favorite brand and I would love to connect with them more. And I never really get to do stuff like this, especially in the Midwest. No one ever comes here, and even though I'm not like in Chicago, I'm not like that far, because I know a lot of girls that live like near New York go to a bunch of New York events even though they still have to drive like 3 or 4 hours. So I don't really think it's too big of a deal. I mean, no one's ever going to come to Iowa, let's face it. So yes, I'm gonna get the rest of my stuff packed, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, I'm in the car on our way to Dixon, and then that's where we're staying the night, and then Chicago tomorrow. But we have stopped at the world's largest truck stop, which is in Iowa. I feel like I've been here as a kid, but it's been a long time. But I don't know, just something interesting about Iowa. We have the world's largest truck stop. So also this hair is crazy. So then I'm gonna go in and see if I can grab a snack, and I definitely want a Mountain Dew like right now. I need some energy for the rest of this drive, but that's just a little update for you. I got my little suitcase in the back and my pink backpack. I'm like all pinked out. So I'll see you guys probably in the hotel next. Okay guys, here's the outside. We are going in. I think they have like a bunch of stuff in here, like Caribou Coffee and a Wendy's possibly, but it's actually pretty neat. It's basically just a huge gas station. And then, welcome to Iowa 80. Hello guys, good morning. We are almost to Chicago. This is my makeup. I just kind of finished touching up in the car. Just put my lashes on, which was kind of hard while driving, but yeah, this is the makeup, pretty much all Too Faced products. I'm wearing this pink sweater, which is from the Pulse Boutique, which should be available very soon. If not, it's already on the site. But I just wanted to let you know what the status was, and then I'll probably vlog a little bit once we get to the venue for the brunch. So super excited. I got me some Starbucks because I am so tired. I like barely slept. We got up at like 6, and then I got ready and stuff and left at 8. So I will talk to you guys soon. Hey guys, so this is the little setup here. How cute. This is the Better Than Sex mascara. It has my name on it. It's so cute. And look at this. Yes, so cute. I love the glitter. And then this is the little menu with Too Faced on it. It's just like Too Faced everything. My favorite blush, the strawberry, and of course, Born This Way concealer. You guys already know I love it.
I think for Instagram they're like,
So this is so cute.
us to promote something, then the brand.
Alright, so we got some avocado toast here with some salad and a little piece of banana bread. This looks amazing. Hey guys, I am back, and I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I got in my little Too Faced bag. So let me show you guys that real quick. So they gave me a little goodie bag at the brunch. I had a really good time and everyone was super nice. I got to meet some really cool YouTubers and Instagram people. But Too Faced gifted us this super cute sparkly glitter clutch. This is so adorable, and it does open, and it has like a little chain on the inside if I can get it. Yes, so that is so cute. They also gave us a little selfie light for your phone. I've always wanted one of these. This is so neat. And this is from Impressions Vanity. And then they stocked us up on some Born This Way concealer. So we have Swan Porcelain and Honey for the shades, and this is my all-time fave, you guys know. We also have a couple of Tutti Frutti items. This is it's Bananas powder and the Fruit Cocktail blush, which you guys know I already have, and I love both of these, so I'll probably put these in a giveaway soon. And then probably my favorite things were these Peach Kiss lipsticks that they gave us, and these are actually the newer shades in the collection that I don't have yet. I'm so excited because I love this formula. So we have Bridezilla, Get Your Freak On, Disrobed, and then Chill Pill. So lots of fun colors there, and that is what I got at the Too Faced brunch. So yeah, like I was saying, I had an amazing time. They had really good food. I'm so glad I got to connect with a few other YouTubers and connect with the Too Faced social media. But anyways, I am so hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my little home chef meal for you guys today. So let's go ahead and make some supper. So for dinner, I'm gonna be making this chicken Kiev with goat cheese butter. I'm so excited for this. It looks amazing. I have not had this one yet from them. So I kind of have like everything pulled out of the package. Everything comes in something like this for your non-meat ingredients. So like I have these guys, I have some canola oil and broccoli, and then I have to get my chicken out of a separate bag. And then here's my chicken breast fillets ready to go, all packaged up, super nice and easy. But yeah, basically this is what the cards look like that you get. It has all your ingredients. You pretty much get everything you need, and it's in the perfect portion sizes, which I love because I don't waste product. And to me, I honestly spend about the same amount with these meals than even going out and buying my own, because 9 times out of 10, like, I'll get ingredients to make something, and then like all the rest of the ingredients go to waste that's left over. And I love that these are like pre-portioned out. The only things that it doesn't come with is like your salt and pepper and your like olive oil. We use a lot of olive oil for cooking. And then on the back it says like everything you need that is not included, like your pots and pans and stuff too. And so I always go through, look at what I need to do before I start cooking. It just says we have to rinse the produce and pat dry, so we don't even have to use the oven or anything for this one. But basically it's like step by step. It's very simple. I am not good at cooking, but this is so easy to follow, and all my meals come out tasting fantastic. So if you're not really into cooking, you should definitely try this out, because honestly it's just so easy, simple, and that's why I love it so much. Enough of talking, let's get to cooking. Okay guys, so that is it for my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here because I have like so much to get done today. It was just like a short little weekend vlog since I actually had stuff planned, and I really wanted to talk about Home Chef with you guys and do a little fun cook with me. I hope it was helpful for you guys. I would highly recommend Home Chef. You guys know I talk about it all the time, and I've been doing it for over a year. But honestly, Home Chef is amazing, and they save me so much time with cooking and figuring stuff out, and it really makes me a better cook as well. So I would highly recommend it if you guys, either if you're single or if you just live with your significant other. It's really great, I think, for 1 to 2 people. When it comes to like the family meals, I feel like it can get a little expensive, so that's why I suggest like the singles, just because for me it saves me money instead of like going out to eat all the time and wasting food. So that's why I would recommend it. I also have a code that you guys can use in the comments down below if you want to try it out for only $30, and you'll get 3 meals with 2 servings for 1 week. So I'll have that down below if you guys want to check it out. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I had such a good weekend, and especially at the Too Faced brunch, that was amazing. But I will let you guys go and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.